Well, we just got 4 inches from our latest snowstorm. Let's go check on the beehives out there. Oh yeah, that's a lot of snow. Oh my. Oh my, that is a lot of snow. It looks like the hood scoop's doing pretty good. There's not a lot of snow in the entrance. That's always bonus. Look at that. That's got to be, maybe it's even 5 inches. Holy crap. Yeah, we got some cleaning to do here. There we go, all better. Some would say I'm taking insulation from the top, but this whole thing up here is all insulation. That piece right there, that's got insulation inside of it. So they're just fine.